buddy, what you doing?
Folks will get a kick out of that too.
Hey, buddy, what you doing?
Right after this.
Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss.
Texas hardtail.
I can't believe you can't find any
Give me a kiss.
lingerie contest.
Where's Buddy? Buddy. Give me a kiss.
Texas hardtail. Tuesday at 8:30.
Where's Buddy? Buddy.
Advanced Auto Parts is working harder to help you do it.
Give me a kiss.
Get ready for certified excellence.
Where's Buddy? Buddy.
Get ready to go from no way to
Give me a kiss.
for all the advice you'll ever need.
Give me a kiss. Where's Buddy? Buddy. Give me a kiss. Where's Buddy? Buddy T. Where's Buddy? Buddy.
Using the TV ratings at the start of every program in conjunction with the VJ.
Give me a kiss.
You can find the program you find unsuitable to your family.
Give me a kiss.
So easy to use. To learn more, visit this website or call the number on your
Hey, buddy, what you doing?
Chevy's proud to be the #1 selling passenger.
Where's Buddy? Buddy.
And we have the most dependable longest.
Where's Buddy? Buddy T.
We've always broken the rules. Now we're rewriting them.
Give me a kiss.
Chevy employee discount for everyone. You
Give
pay
me a kiss.
not a cent whole. We're continuing.
Give me a kiss.
Employee discount for everyone. Get employee pricing on almost
Where's
every.
Buddy? Buddy.
The Chevy employee discount for everyone ends September 6th.
Where's Buddy? Buddy.
Meet Bill. Movies are his life.
Where's Buddy? Buddy T.
I've got exact chance. He's always
Hey, buddy, what you doing?
time he gets home. His movies have already started.
Hey, buddy, what you doing?
Stars on Demand. Now Bill gets new hit movies he can start whenever he wants. It's free with his subscription to Stars, and it's not available on satellite. On Demand can't solve all his problems, but it's a start.
Order Stars with Stars on Demand today. Call Charter Communications at 1-888-GET-CHARTER.
Where's Buddy? Buddy.
You know, in our last couple of weeks, our guest lineup has